What's up everyone? Welcome to Valvetronic Designs. An evening video for you guys. Have the 720S behind us and we have a very good looking Kith M4. Now tonight we're going out to have some dinner and about 30 minutes away or so. It's late, minimal traffic out. So we thought we'd bring you guys along on the journey to get there in the world's best sounding MCLAREN 720S. The reason why it's the best sounding, the Valvetronic F1 race package, pre-fill downpipes, then it has the Valvetronic F1 rear section, which is a double X pipe. The car sounds like a 458, it's insane. Excited to show you guys flames and the fire and all the excitement that comes out of this car. Even stock, it's just insane without a tune. So the F1 race package really cranks up the engagement. Having that system really makes this 720S have no compromises. In the past, people would have a 458, they'd have an Aventador because the sound wasn't there. With this setup, it really is something very special. So sit back, relax, and enjoy, and let's do it.